Which is the outermost planet in the solar system? A. Mercury, B. Pluto, C. Neptune, D. Uranus. The right answer is C. Neptune. The Sun is A. Star, B. Planet, C. Asteroid, D. Meteor. The right answer is A. Star. Which from the following is not a conductor? A. Aluminium, B. Gold, C. Graphite, D. All are the conductors. The right answer is all are the conductors. The planet which is easily visible from the Earth is A. Mercury, B. Venus, C. Mars, D. Jupiter. The right answer is B. Venus. What is dry ice? A. Solid oxygen, B. Solid carbon dioxide, C. Solid hydrogen, D. Solid nitrogen. The right answer is solid carbon dioxide. The good sources of vitamin B complex are A. Green leafy vegetables, B. Seeds, C. Fresh vegetables and fruits, D. Seafood. The right answer is A. Green leafy vegetables. Water covers dash of the Earth's surface. A. 61%, B. 67%, C. 71%, D. 76%. The right answer is C. 71%. Monsoon is caused by dash. A. Seasonal reversal of winds, B. Revolution of Earth, C. Movement of clouds, D. Rise in temperature. The right answer is A. Seasonal reversal of winds. The fruits without seed like banana are called A. Seedless fruits, B. Parthenogenesis fruits, C. Parthenocarpic fruits, D. Placental fruits. The right answer is B. Parthenogenesis fruits. The principles used in radar is the same as that of sonar. In radar we use radio waves, whereas in sonar we use A. Red waves, B. Infrared waves, C. Ultrasonic waves, D. Supersonic waves. The right answer is C. Ultrasonic waves.